Hi guys, Usual45 here, and today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4. And yeah, let's get right into the video. It's like, where did my button go? Okay, let's get right into the video. Help the mechanics find his paintbrush. Paintbrush? It's right here. Okay, whatever. Thank you for reading the paintbrush. Hammer, fine. Here we go. Blueprint. Okay, let me get the other one. Wrench. Oh no. Okay. Here you go. And here you go. What? No! Come on! Now we have to give kids catch the presents. No presents falling. Oh, I see. No, I was about to get that. Presents over, bro. Nice. And nice. What? How did I miss that? Guys, I only have 5. Come on. It's been a long time since I played this game. So I just put it in the voting polls. I won with 6 points? Wow. That's incredible. Get on the pillars. Okay. So I haven't played this game in a long time, so I put it in a voting poll. So you guys can vote which game you want me to play. The option was Kitty. Press the button 4, which is the game I'm playing right now. And when you press the button. Oh, I did. For the cubes. I'm dead. As I said, I put in the voting poll so you guys can vote. The option was Kitty. I press the button 4, the game I'm playing right now. And we will have a brain fart. Oh yes, get crushed by a speeding wall. Which my inspiration was from Phantom. Also, thank you for him. Shout out to him for giving me, for making my thumbnail again. He's really awesome. In his channel, he also had a third member. And it kinda loves gaming. So yeah. Oh, yes, I pressed the button. I want to press it again. Avoid being grilled. Whoa. This is the definition of I am cooked. How is this guy still alive? How is this guy still alive? Excuse me. We saw. Look at this guy. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Whoa. This guy has abs or something like that? Oh, I'm out of here. He has. Okay, is it because he's VIP? Oh my god. Oh, we're in the barbecue band. Press the button. Let's go. It's not me. Special shop. Ow. Gotta guess it. Can't we just do this? Aw, oh, man. Even O-Game knew we can do that. Ooh, let's go, guess it. Ooh, oh my god. This guy's AFK and still surviving. Blue? Oh, come on, man. Ow. I wanted to go, but now I went to put it. Survive! Oh well. Oh no, am I cooked, guys? Oh yeah, guys, I think I'm cooked. How am I going to survive? Wait a sec, imagine I survive. It's 1v1. Let's ultimate guess by Yojo45. Let's go. It was me. Look at my statue that can apparently move. Whoa. Get the coin right here. And clutch coin. Okay. I missed that, but we'll just ignore that. Or pretend I didn't miss that. I'm jumping directly into that button and pressing it. That's for sure. No! Oh yeah, I can do that! Press the button. No! Find the diamonds. I'll find the diamond first. Dig straight down. Learn this in Minecraft. Even though it's not something you want to do. Dig straight right. Oh, somebody found a diamond. I was like, bro. What the? What happened? Why? It's this bad. Oh, come on. Huh? What does huh mean? Oh. Yeah, I should have not pressed that button. Get to the other side. Easy. This is easy, guys. If I fall last second. What, bruh? The technique was to die. They just died and get to the other side. We're so small. Going press the button. Yeah. Press the button. Let's go. It's gotta go to earn coins. Come on, guys. We can do this. Ow. Okay, whoa. Okay, a lot of stuff is happening with this ball. Whoa. Okay. It's gonna be hard to win, huh? Especially for small people like this guy and the other girl. The guy that AFK still... Oh my god. Whatever. Score. No one scored. Bruh, we are so close. What? I'm gonna score myself. Press the button. Oh, okay. Push it. Oh yeah, we gotta push that. We're gonna explode. 8 seconds. Guys, we got this. Believe. I'm out of here. Have fun. Oh. Okay, we died. I thought we would survive because just eyes went up. Watch out. Whoa, that's a big boulder. Take the coin and escape. Let's go. Oh, almost fell there. What? We're in space. Yippee! Look, it's our planet. It's just a platform. Whatever. I'm gonna die. See ya, guys. Yippee! Okay, guys, I ain't dying. Oh, I am. It just bring me back, guys. Whatever. Oh, spin the wheel. Oh, no. Watch out, it's raining bombs! Whoa, what? Nah. What? Okay, I thought that was a bomb. Whoa, it explodes. I'm going on the button. It will protect me. Don't forget what I said. Forget what I said. The button ain't protecting me. Nope. No. Oh, guys, get out of there. Okay, they're okay. I warned you guys. Now, oh my God, they are everywhere. These bombs. I just want to press the button. Oh my God, leave. Gosh. Ooh, are you lucky or unlucky? Nope, I'm unlucky. Press the button. Ready for spleef? Oh, spleef. Why am I under? This is so unfair. You know what, guys? I'm gonna make them fall. Oh, yeah, it hardly worked. This is so unfair. Why am I all at the bottom? If I survive, dude, that would be crazy. Oh, no. Okay, I'm not at the bottom. There are more paths home at the end. Okay, I'm cooked for good now. Yeah, okay, yeah. Dude, that was so unfair, bro. I just spawned at the very bottom, but before bottom. Stay away from the lightning. Damn! Okay. No. Statue is gonna protect me. If the button can't protect me, the statue is gonna protect me. Even though it's not me. Take the coin and escape. And my friend joined me too. Oh, damn. Oh, no. Stay behind the statue. What? No! I would have won. Oh, gears. I gotta fix the button. I think I'm happy. I'm not fixing the button. It clears a lot of trouble. Fine. But I prefer dying. I ain't fixing this button, bro. And it's fixed. Why? Next color. What's the next color? Oh, it's green. We got it wrong green. The game made me quit. Oh, but still people play because my friend is in the same server that I play, so I can go back to the same server. And I fell. Press the button. Oh, big brain. Oh my god, my friend looks so funny with this goofy head. Get to the finish line. Okay, that'll take a lot of time though. Oh no, we had super speed. Super speed. Oh, okay. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Fast. Go. No, my god. This ain't happening. We gotta go fast. Oh my god. Okay, maybe stop singing. It'll help. Oh, come on. Money. Ooh, nice. Money. I got it before you. Okay, there's no more money anymore. Bruh. Be first to find and press the button. Oh. That was easy. And I'm gonna press another button. Get to the ball to the end. No. Okay, oh. It's impossible. It's a fall. Perfect. Your team is cooked. We only have 3 members. What is that? That's so unfair. Guys, stop. So, you might win. The MVP of the game is me. I'm the MVP of the game. Let's go. Damn, you guys should be embarrassed, bro. Statue of my friend. What do you think? Whoa. This statue got absorbed. Get on the button, guys. God. Press the button. Stop the incoming balls by touching them. Hup. What happens when you leave them? Let me see. Okay, wow. I'm the only one doing work here, I guess. So, can't let them score. Yes, let's go. Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's go. And clutch. Oh, come on. Oh. Catch him. Lovely. How did that ball got stopped? That was weird. Press the button. Oh, I didn't. Watch out. Whoa, I didn't saw that. Oh. At least the statue is still here. We'll remember you. Oh, she's back. Are only 3 people on the server anymore now? Oh, my friend came back. Wait, what? Okay. I didn't know what happened. I didn't know what was happening. I just thought we were well around. There's 4 people in the server right now. Hi. He's a Forsaken fan, if you can see that, huh? Cool Coopin. Cool kid. Why is it Coopin? Join today. Not really. He doesn't know I'm around. Oh no, he's already like. The music making like he's chasing me. Press the button! I'm out of here. Whoa, that's a lot of obstacles. Oh, 2-1. Yeah. I fell into the lava without thinking. Press the button! Grab the most amount of candies. Where? I mean, there's candies everywhere. I don't understand. Oh, I see. I can't find any more. Oh, chocolate. Cake. Lollipop. No, my lollipop! Fine. I'll just take this other chocolate. Something else? Oh, cake. Still 4 people. Lollipop. 8 points. Man, how many I got me? It didn't show us. Got the button. Other amount of tiles. They won't see I'm calling here, so it's perfect. They won't recover my tiles because they don't even know I'm here. Intelligent, huh? I'm about to win this challenge. No! Stop! Why am I friend winning my heart? No! Stop! Guys, stop! My masterpiece! Oh. Green is the best color. Stop ruining everything! Go somewhere else. Fine, I'm going somewhere else, me. Why are you following me? Stop! Oh, okay. Wow, that was annoying. Knock the door. I want to take this witch hat though. Okay. Enter inside. We gotta run. Okay, we gotta run. I'm out of here. Why is he following me? No. No. Oh, come on. Dude, I saw the run message at the last second. Oh, that girl's better die. Avoid being grilled. That AFK guy had the power. Let me try doing the same thing. Oh, okay. No. Lesson learned. Never try and have the power of AFK guy. His power is too unstoppable. Oh, I'm out of here. And I'm getting here. Oh my god. Didn't you about to get grilled a second time? Press the button. Oh, hunt down the survivors in the floor. Oh, let's go. Perfect. Get killed. I'm gonna kill my friend. He's messing me loose. Let's go. Where are they? Come on. Where are they? Two people are remaining, but I can't find them. What? Why am I dying? They aren't here. What? Okay, that was weird. So guys, if you love this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. I made this video at midnight, so yeah. I'm gonna go get some sleep or doom school.